Hey, second grade. So this is another video about changes from heat. And we already know, because of our last unit on matter, that water can be all three stages of matter. Water can be a solid in the form of ice. Water can be a liquid. That's what we have right now. And water can also be a gas in the form of water vapor. So today I'm going to show you kind of how you can see water vapor. So I have two water bottles here, courtesy of Mrs. White, who brought them to me. And this one has just cold water in it, just room temperature, nothing special. And then I have some water heating up in my little kettle, and I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to put a balloon on top of both and see what happens to see if we see a difference. Now, we'll tell you in the past when I've done this, sometimes you see a difference, sometimes you don't really. That's what makes science. That's what it happens. So I'm going to put my balloon over this one, and there's really no change. It's not really doing anything. There's no water vapor from the heat filling it up. It's just kind of hanging out. So I think my water is almost heated. So I am going to grab it as soon as I can get my balloon off. And we will pour it into this other water bottle. So we had to pause the video because we had an issue. As I was trying to take the balloon off the water bottle with cold water, it popped off. Sometimes science doesn't go like you think it will. So we paused the video, got another balloon, and now I am going to pour hot water into this one. I'm going to be very careful with the hot water. And if you want to do this experiment at home, please make sure that you have a responsible grown-up helping you. And that water is very hot, so I'm going to put the balloon on real quick. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe.
Would you like some help, Miss Jess?
I would love some help, but I'm going to be very careful because the water bottle is very hot.
Well, let me move the kettle for you.
Okay.
And then I will hold the bottle for you.
Okay, like I said, be careful. It's very hot.
I will be very careful.
Okay. See, it's very hot, and it's kind of bendy. I think maybe
It's very hot. I think it's making the water's making it bend.
Ouch.
You know what? Let me switch shots with you here.
Okay, that sounds like
I
a
will
good idea.
try.
I think we got it.
I think
Now let's
we
see.
do.
Oh, let's see. Maybe a little bit. Like I said, guys, sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't.
It's working.
Is it working?
A little bit. I can feel it in here.
Oh, you can feel, oh yeah, I can feel warm water vapor coming up from here. But I think maybe if we had like a more sturdy bottle, like maybe a glass bottle, maybe we could have gotten a little more water vapor in here, and then we would have maybe seen our balloon explode or blow up even. So again, sometimes in science things work really well, and sometimes in science they don't work as well as we want them to. But like I said, this is one that you can try at home, especially if you have like a glass bottle with a narrow lid like this that you could put hot water in and then put a balloon over. But always, when you're doing science, always have a responsible adult with you. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later.